Chris Moses here with Gospel Progressions University. I'm going to show you a simple, very simple gospel move in the key of C. So we're going to do something like this, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Let me go to 5, 6 chord, 2 chord, 5 chord, 5 chord, 1 chord. You'll hear things like this all over gospel. You could end a phrase with it, whether it's the end of the song, the end of a particular phrase, it doesn't matter. But we'll break it up into 2 sections, right? The first section is just going to be very simple. We're just playing triads. So you might wonder where this A flat comes from. Don't worry about it, but it gives the harmony, all right? It's important that we play that. We can even play that on top because even though it's outside of the key, it's a part of the melody that we're doing. So the melody is important. So we'll play 2, 3, 4, 5. When I say 2 in the key of C, C is 1. Excuse me. It's persistent cold, the ones that hang on. C is 1, and D is 2. So we do the 2, okay, 2 chord. So it's a D minor chord, but it's a special kind of D minor 7 chord, right? And it has this A flat added to it. That's all you need to think about right now. So it's 2, and then I say 3. I mean, in the sequence on my left hand, 3 is on my left hand, but I'm playing this 1 chord, right? The C chord. So all it is this. So all you're doing is this D minor chord, all right? The special D minor chord. The 1 chord over the 3 in the left hand, and then the D minor chord, special D minor chord over that F, and then the 1 chord over the 5. That's your first part. So again, you're barely moving. Just triads, right? And now we switch this is going to be the second part. Now we invert the C, right? That's what we're doing. We move here, the C is going to be played C, E, G, and then we invert it to, over here, we invert it to G, C, E, right? So it's, all right, C, E, G over G, C over G chord. Okay, so we can play this. We can even do this. And then invert it again. This sounds nice because now we have a minor 7, A, E, G, C. So, and now we reset the same chord again. We just invert this chord, C, F, A flat to A flat, C, F. Right, so, all right, then we do this. Very gospel, very mindful, right? So we go from here, and then we do this. And then we have the C now over the G. G, major chord, and then we end. You can come back up, but you want to follow the melody. Right, so, again, we'll do it slowly. This is the first part. Where am I? Oh, here. And then we go to G now. A minor 7. Special D chord. C over G. G chord. Very simple. You can play that on Sunday. You can play that right now. And you can end like a million songs with that and play a million different phrases. I got something for you. Now we're coming up on the new year. People are looking to change. So here's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 10 musicians. 10 of you that are just tired of being told how to play. You come on here and people are telling you the number system, but you're tired of memorizing stuff and you don't know what to do. I'm doing a 4-week live roadmap kickstart in January. We're gonna break down the code so you can play in any church in any key with zero fear. I have 10 spots available. That's it. I can't handle any more than that. If you want to join me, the link is in the description. God bless you. I'll see you in the next one.